I have already connected the hard disk, but you cannot see it in File Explorer because it is corrupted. Now open command prompt and run as admin. Now type disk part and hit enter. Then list space disk. Now here you can see the corrupted hard disk, so select it by entering select space disk space and enter your hard disk number here. Now list space volume. Now again enter the same command. Select space disk space 2. Now clean. Now create space partition space primary. Format space fs equals ntfs space quick. Now assign. And there you go, your corrupted hard disk is recovered successfully. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.